Then, of course, they are easy ways to prepare a budget. I personally have always used Excel. You know, I have an Excel spreadsheet with all my categories, all my monies. January, yeah, it's like I have January. Then what I do, I just duplicate the page and keep going on. You know, so I have January, then when February comes, I duplicate January because all the categories remain the same. There are very few changes. So at the end of the year, I can look back and compare and see how I made changes here and there. And so you can use an Excel spreadsheet if you're still very manual, or you can use an electronic software, something online, for example, like mint.com, mint.com. That will be a good one. I've used that one before. For some reason, I always go back to the Excel spreadsheet, but I do have the mint.com. So you can try that. And there are so many other budgeting applications. The point is, have a budget, find a way where it will be simple to have, where you can do it every month.